Injection molding is one of the most reliable manufacturing processes. But even with advanced machines and high-precision molds, defects can still happen. From flash and sink marks to short shots and burn marks, these issues can affect both product quality and production efficiency. In this video, we'll explain 10 common injection molding defects and what causes them. Understanding molding defects is important for both engineers and procurement teams, because most defects are not random. They are usually related to mold design, material behavior, or process parameters. Let's look at the most common defects seen in real injection molding production. Flash occurs when molten plastic escapes from the mold cavity and forms thin excess material along the parting line. This usually happens when the mold does not close tightly, or when the injection pressure is too high. Sink marks appear as small depressions on the surface of a plastic part. They are usually caused by uneven cooling or thick wall sections. When the inner material shrinks during cooling, the surface may collapse slightly. A short shot occurs when the molten plastic does not completely fill the mold cavity. This can happen due to insufficient injection pressure, low melt temperature, or poor venting. Weld lines appear when two melt flow fronts meet but do not fully fuse together. These lines can weaken the structural strength of the part and may affect appearance. Burn marks appear as dark or black areas on the plastic surface. They are typically caused by trapped air that becomes compressed and overheated during injection. Warpage refers to the bending or deformation of a molded part. It usually happens when different areas of the part cool and shrink at different rates. Flow marks appear as streaks or patterns on the surface of a molded part. They are often caused by inconsistent melt flow or rapid cooling during filling. Jetting occurs when molten plastic enters the cavity at high speed and forms snake-like patterns instead of flowing smoothly. This usually happens when the gate design is not optimized. Bubbles or voids appear inside the molded part. They are usually caused by trapped gas or shrinkage during cooling. These defects can reduce structural strength. Silver streaks appear as shiny lines on the surface of plastic parts. They are often caused by moisture in the material or insufficient drying. Injection molding defects may look small, but they often reveal deeper issues in mold design, processing conditions, or material preparation. Understanding these defects helps engineers improve product quality and achieve more stable production.